Morning, family.
We did.
Order filled.
What do you think of it today, sir? I ain't even gonna trade today.
What's that, family?
I said, what you thinking for today? I'm not even gonna trade today.
Um, we're looking mad bearish, bro. I was thinking we was gonna touch the 38 before we dump, but it don't look like it's going that way. Um, heavy rejection at the daily low. I'm definitely bearish, but I do think we might grab some liquidity before we go lower. But who knows?
Oh,
We
okay.
might,
You gonna participate today? That's cool.
but we might just break through.
Order filled.
Got you. It's a bank holiday today, though.
Yeah, Juneteenth.
That's why it's so slow right now. That boy Lou.
My boy Lou.
You know about that boy Lou.
My boy.
Order filled.
Heard about that boy Lou.
Order filled.
We're at that low now.
Hmm?
We're at that low now.
Yes, yes, he moved. Oh, shit.
Order filled.
Ooh. We might have a bounce from here, to be honest.
The feeling that people experience when they stand on the edge like this isn't a fear of falling. It's a fear that they might jump.
What you thinking, fam?
Shit, honestly, I'm just on to chill with you for the Zoom for a bit because I'm not trading.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I'm not. I'm really not looking at the chart too much. I know for sure we're bearish. You definitely have a bearish trend. I'm thinking, and then we got two. If you look in a 15-minute time frame, you have two equal lows at the bottom. We have two equal lows right there that we see. Look at them. Where's your 15?
My 50 level?
Yeah, 15-minute time frame.
Oh, 15 minute?
Yeah, real quick. You should squeeze the. There we go. All right, you see those two lows, equal lows? Yeah, right there.
Right here? Yeah.
Nah, right there. Yeah, right there, and then go back to June 6th. June 6th. Right there, right there. Those are equal lows. That's where it's gonna go. It's gonna go down there, potentially to June 3rd. Yeah, right there. Those are equal lows. Yeah. We're gonna sweep those and then probably end up in June 3rd. You see June 3rd or June 1st now?
June 3rd right here and June 1st.
Yeah. Okay, yeah, June 3rd. There you go. There you go. I was just got confused, but that's what I was aiming for on my chart. What I was looking at. I think that was based on my fib. I'm not too sure. Yeah, that was based on my fib. We're gonna tear those equal lows, and then you got that to you guys is that 61.8, and to me is 62, and 77. What is it?
78.6.
7. 705. My golden zone is on June 3rd. That's what I was looking at. So yeah, for sure bearish. And then I think Friday we're gonna correct and go bullish. Right now I'm just pretty much just waiting for it to fall. But yeah, that's what it looks like with Friday handling. It's gonna be real slow. I don't know how long it take. I don't think it's gonna melt. There's no U.S. liquidity here today. There's no U.S. liquid. They're off.
Order filled.
Dropping lower.
Order submitted. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order submitted. Order filled. Order filled.
That boy Serge.
That boy Lou.
Hey,
What it do? What it do?
That
Lou?
boy Martin.
Good morning, y'all.
We do not have. Yeah, they on a ride. I'm not doing. Hold on, let me get my AirPods on. Hold on.
What it do? What it do?
Yeah, man. How the market look today?
It's slow.
Oh, I got some algos running, but I didn't replicate.
Oh, okay.
But they looking clean.
I can hear that.
hey, let's go.
Yeah, man. It's still a test in progress, but I'm still testing it on, some things and doing what I need to do. But it did its thing. How y'all looking?
I'm not trading today.
I'm baby red. I'm in a position right now. It might take me out, but it's all good.
Yo, sir, did you must have updated your Ninja, huh?
Oh, I was messing with the indicators last night. Oh, and I did update it. Yeah, I sure did.
Okay. Is that the ICT? Is that the fair value gap indicator? That's the Ninja's fair value gap, right?
Yeah, I did the fair value gap, and I added some EMAs as well.
There you go.
I was messing with the ATR yesterday, but I don't know about that tool, so I was watching some videos just to get a little bit of knowledge, and I was taking some notes yesterday.
Just to understand ATR?
Correct.
Okay. Yeah, bro. No, you don't even need to watch videos on that ATR, bro. It's very simple. All ATR is, it just says, well, the first thing you got to do is when determining your ATR, you want to determine where you're getting the range from, the data. So it can be like a 14 period ATR, which means like it'll take the prior 14 bars, do the average range of those bars, and then it'll push your targets and stops to those levels, right? So say like the average, say you're on a 1 minute chart,
yeah,
and you want to use like a 14 period ATR. Well, what it'll do is it'll take the last 14 minute, 1 minute bars, whatever that average is of either points or ticks, and then if you have a position that enters and it's going to use that 14 period ATR, say your target is going to be one times the ATR. Well, it'll just be, if the market was moving 10 ticks or 15 points or whatever it is, it'll put your target at 15 points. It'll put your stop at 15 points, because that's what ATR is saying. That's what the average true range of that period is, right? That's literally all it is. So if you want to do an ATR that's 1 day, it'll say, all right, that's literally what it is. It's just taking data from the prior number of bars you want, and it's using that to calculate what you want it to be.
An average. And
yeah, that's all it is. That is that simple. If you want to do and again, that ATR will change obviously because as more minutes happen,
Mm-hmm.
it's taking data that's closer to the now, and it's dropping off data that's further away, and that's how it's updating the ATR. So,
Yeah.
you know what I mean? That's all that is, bro.
Hey, that was cool. I was using it how this guy was using it not to get stopped out. He was doing an additional, like, let's say it's like 15, he do an additional 15, bro, and he like back tested and never got like stopped out. Well, like he did a few times, but it was very rare.
Yep. It's all math, and then you can incorporate that if you want to be an ICT trader. Like, hey, from this fair value gap, from this consequent encroachment, if there's a breaker block, or if there's whatever the case is, if there's a unicorn setup or whatever the case is, and you want to shoot down to the next sell side liquidity area, well, you can start trailing when it hits one ATR. You can start trailing it. Boom, you take a partial at 2 ATR and let the other trail you 2 8. Like, I don't know. I'm saying you can incorporate it many ways, but I would say like what really hurts people is when they start trying to do stuff without understanding that there are market mechanics involved, right? And no matter how you look at market mechanics, no matter how you look at it, it's if you stay true to the system, and if you back test it and forward test it and see how it works, it's beautiful. And last thing I'm gonna say is the reason why I like ATR based systems is because if you're a non-ATR based system, right? If you have a system that doesn't use like any type of like dynamic range, then you're gonna be fucked, because the market is constantly, there's different market environments. In a very volatile environment, ATR is going to be higher. So why would you want to go for shorter targets? No, go get a bigger target. I mean, depending on your system. If you're trying to do, give me that, get the little whatever. But if you have a true system where you are ATR based, and if the market has bigger ranges, you want to have to move your stop bigger range and you target bigger range. If it's tighter, shorter tight, or shorter stop, shorter target. It's just straight math. It's all math. That's how I see it, bro.
Yeah, that is, bro. It's cold. I'm gonna see a way that I can add it to my strategy. I'll be taking notes every day. Okay, what would have been different if I would have put my stop loss here, and I'm gonna just write notes for a good while, see the results.
Yep. And you can see right now. Look at the screen. Look at the market open. You see how those candles got wider. The first, let me see. You look at these candles right here.
Yeah.
As those candles got wider, look at what the ATR did on the bottom. The ATR shot up because it said, "Oh, bigger range." And then you can see on these, you can see here too. Look what happens. For these, as those candles, you went back.
My bad.
No, that's good. Hold on, go make the chart wider again. How you had it?
Like this?
Why is it not? Okay. Yeah. You see how right here, these bars are tighter?
Yeah.
Well, if you look, you can see that the ATR started to go down.
Oh shit.
So that's what I'm saying. Like it's good to see the math.
RSI shit, huh?
What do you say?
It's like some RSI shit, like some divergence, whatever.
Yeah.
It looks similar to that.
It looks similar to that, exactly. So that's why, like,
it's fire.
Yeah, man, it's cool. Like, so if you have like, I mean, at the end of the day, we all don't trade how we trade, huh?
Yeah. That kind of tells you, like the example that you were showing, kind of like, we're about to go bearish while the market is going up, the ATR is going down.
Yeah. Well, I would say more the ATR is basically saying like the range is tightening up.
Yeah.
But then it looks like that RSI on the top, you can see how as the market was starting to make that spot, like it was becoming it was becoming oversold up here.
Yeah.
Overbought.
Right.
And you can notate it by here. The RSI was getting high, and then on this drop, it came down to be oversold. Now you can see the bounce. But again, that's like again that's. But we all trade different. But at the end of the day, all we got to do is follow what we say we're gonna do. If we do something and it works over a certain period of time and it yielded a result, we just got to keep doing that. Straight facts.
Facts.
But we all know what we're doing. So I don't really think that us three have any issues. It's more like it's that's what it was. So
fire.
Yeah, for sure.
That boy Martin, you said you no trades?
Huh?
No trades today for you?
Yeah, bro, I'm staying off the charts today. It's just not enough, movement for me.
Yeah.
Not for what I'm
Not
doing.
for what you're doing. Exactly.
Yeah.
Exactly. We stay true to what we do.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. That boy Martin.
I want to hop on with my boy Serge. And I see you online, but I figured you were out and about.
Yeah, no, I'm out and about. Just they went on a ride that I wasn't finna go on. Hell no.
What was it?
What was the name of that ride, babe? The Hagrid's motorbike or some shit. Yeah, no, I'm not doing that.
Hydras motorbike?
Yeah. I like driving fast. Damn, you put my shit out there. Damn.
What is it, man? Is it like a ride or like what is it?
Describe it, babe. Describe it so they can hear. What was it? What was it? Hagrid's what? It's called Hagrid's Magical Motorbike. He said it was just it goes like 100 miles an hour.
Oh shit.
Yeah, it's like a bike and a buggy. It's like a even if you're so basically per situation is two people. So it's a bike and a buggy, and it's like a big roller coaster and it's going like 100 miles an hour. It's just going fast as shit.
Oh.
Yeah. Hell yeah. Where's that at? Is that Universal?
Yeah. What park are we in, babe? Island of Adventure. We're in.
Oh.
You're in Universal right now? Yeah, I'm at Universal right now. Yeah, I'm in the park. We already did two. They did 3 rides already. I did 2. I told you I wasn't doing that last one. Fuck that.
You need.
Well, boy,
hell no. Hell no.
Gotta stay true, bro, because I'm afraid of heights. I don't do none of that shit.
Bro, I did 1 ride. They told me they was like, yeah, do this one. It's not that high. So I got on.
Yeah.
Bro, that shit was creeping up. I'm like, yo, hold on. Wait. How high are we going? Like, it's not going that high. It ended up not going that high. It was cool, but you know what I'm saying? I ain't
anything above my fucking height, I'm good.
Yeah. Well, I told, bro, I'm telling you right now, the only reason why I'm here is because of them. I ain't doing it, bro. I swear to God, bro. I would have stayed my ass right in Boston. But they wanted to have some fun, so it's cool.
Yeah.
They do that. Yeah, no, I mean, I'll do a couple things, but I ain't forcing it. You know what I'm saying? Hell no. But the crib is nice. The crib we got is nice, and then the rest of my girls' people is gonna be here.
Oh, y'all got there first?
Yeah, we got there first. We got the crib for the first 2 days.
Yeah.
And then we leave 2 days earlier than them.
Oh,
hey, baby, use my card. No, I do. I'll get something. I don't know where you put my card, but you can use it. Yeah. The universal one here.
Order filled.
Yeah, bro. Man, it's a good day to just chill though, for real.
So what's the weather looking like over there?
Bro, it's like right now it's 83, but apparently it's gonna get to it's gonna be like it's gonna get to 97.
Yeah, it doesn't feel humid.
Yeah, it's like it's
Like,
alright.
it's like when I remember when we were there, it was
Yeah,
like 80 something and it felt humid as shit. I was like, oh, it
yeah,
felt double the heat.
bro. We went to Publix yesterday to go to the supermarket, bro.
Mm-hmm.
We went to we was in Publix for 10 minutes, bro. We was in
Oh,
Publix. Hold on, I'm just ordering some food right quick. Which one?
We just did the chicken finger platter.
I'll also have a chicken finger platter, please.
You want something to drink?
Can I have a? Can I get a? Let me see. I'll just do a water. That's cool. Yeah, thank you. Yeah, man. But the weather's nice though. It's hot as shit. But I know
mm-hmm.
Boston right now is hot as shit. And then I know it's cool though, man. It's cool, bro. We all need to link up with our families and do some shit, bro.
Bro, I'll be
Hell
tight.
yeah, for sure. That'd be badass, bro.
Hell yeah, hell yeah. That'll be litty.
Hey, it's gonna happen. It's gonna happen. Real
Hell
talk.
yeah, hell yeah. And I got something I'm working on for all of us too, so that we can just have I'll talk about it with y'all offline, but I'm trying to work on something so that we can just have a little pocket machine just rolling,
Mm.
a little automatic joint.
Hey, man.
Yeah,
Dun, dun,
so,
dun.
Hey, I was thinking, you guys ever heard of those websites where
But
you guys ever heard of those websites where you can make like hoodies and shirts? Like, let's say I have a design.
yeah,
It's almost it's close to like drop shipping, but it's not like drop shipping. It's like drop shipping in a way. So
yeah,
basically, let's say you have a hoodie and you put your logo in there, and they'll be like, well, I don't know what the like there'll be like a warehouse in China or some shit,
mm-hmm.
and they'll sell you the hoodie like, okay, uh, bulk price for this hoodie is $12 or whatever,
Mm-hmm.
and then you you can sell the hoodie for like $18 or
Yeah, that's
20
drop shipping.
uh sort of, yeah, sort of.
You're talking about
uh
like Printerful and shit like that.
yes sir, yes
Yeah,
sir.
Printify, yeah,
yeah,
yeah. My girl was
Printify, some
telling me
shit
about
like
that.
that.
Yep.
Yeah,
Yeah,
We gonna be doing some shit like that too. Yep.
so
yeah.
I was thinking we create like a little out the month store, and even for the game, that'll be like support anybody in the group that wants to order a hoodie or whatever. um they can order a hoodie, maybe a hat, whatever. We create a little store, and then the proceeds from that we can use it like for several things, like
I
grow the
should go
team,
hard with Instagram, bro, for sure.
get tools for
You make
everyone, things like that. What y'all think?
you make an Instagram account, you make a shopping store, select a few items, put a few logos on them, and
Hmm.
then run some ads on it, and just
Yeah,
watch that shit get bought, bro.
yeah, and at the same time, us like the gang, like whoever in the group wants to order one, show some support, show some love.
Hell yeah, rock the logo, yeah, for sure. Yeah, me and my wife thought about that on Valentine's Day. We were like, man, we're finna get some cups, get a bag, get a few pins, and then I made the Instagram. I just didn't finish it. I fucked up. I don't know why I didn't finish it, but
Hmm.
I like we'll put a couple of dollars, a good
Yeah,
$100 or whatever, run an ad, see what we could get in return. But yeah, I know what you're talking about, bro. That's it. Yeah, it's fire. It's like drop shipping, bro. It's just pretty much the same thing. You're just an online store. You're not using like Shopify or anything like that.
for sure. Hey, for sure.
Yeah,
Like that.
my girl did a course to like she's in some like group and they do that type of thing.
Mm.
Yeah, bro, all that stuff is
Yeah.
fun.
Mhm.
I think I might still have Viejesa's drop shipping course. If y'all want it, I'll check that old computer, see if I still got it.
Hell yeah.
Hey, y'all ever seen Viejesa?
Only thing I don't fuck with it is Shopify stuff. No, it's not. Now you can create your own store with any other thing. You just need a link.
Mm-hmm.
Like I used to do it through Stripe. You know, Stripe is free. You
Right.
get on Stripe, boom, you create a product, you have a link, put it under you know, like an Instagram account. Like Instagram has like now where you can put items for sale. They click that link, they go straight to the like a buy page, and then buy
Yeah.
that item from you, and you send them an invoice or receipt once they purchase, and you know that item will get. You know, I guess um if you're gonna mail it on your own, then you can do that. But if it's behind the store, you can connect the store um to whatever account you're putting in, like an Instagram account or shit like that.
Yeah. Yeah. That'd be tight, bro.
Mm-hmm. There we go. That's fire, bro. That's some fire shit. You know, it's a good idea. Everybody gonna have. You know what? Actually, I was in a group a while back. Like I used to do affiliate marketing, right?
Yeah.
I used to do affiliate marketing. We were doing marketing for this one, this motor club membership, right? Where you get like that roadside assistant shit, whatever. And I was in a group called Good Life. Hey, bro, that guy, the guy that created all that, he had a full setup. He had everybody getting. He created his own clothing line
Yeah.
based on that on his group. He had pants, sweats, shirts, and hats and all type of shit. He had everybody under him go pretty much get you get the membership behind him. You buy a shirt or whatever. He had
Mm-hmm.
everybody rocking like what you're saying, you know, where everybody rocking the logo.
Yeah.
He had a full setup, but like that was crazy. And he really took that shit seriously. He really hit that. But like that's what's up. He had a good business structure, you know.
Yeah. Yeah. That'd be tight, bro. And yeah, and you can buy ads on Facebook,
Mm-hmm. Yeah, you
and
can run some ads. Yeah.
and then you can do the math and how many ads is gonna yield you a buy and get you an idea.
Yeah, yeah. I remember I used to run a Facebook manager. What is it? The ad manager on Facebook. I had that an account. My shit got flagged because I was learning on my own. It was trial and error, you know. I
Mm-hmm.
was getting. I got better at it, like at the end because there was places where I used to work at, and I used to run ads for the company where I worked at, you know, certain shit or whatever. And I finally got good at the end, but I had like a few accounts flagged. You have to create a new one and a new one
Oh
and
shit!
a new
Why
Order
you get them
filled.
flagged?
advertising. You know, there's specific things that you gotta do and you can't do while you're advertising. You know, it can't look
Oh
like a false advertisement, which it wasn't false. It was a realistic, actual possible goal, but it just looked enticing. Like it was it was too good to be true type of shit. You know.
yeah.
So yeah, so it's trial and error, bro. I learn my ways to it. This Facebook that I have right now, where where we're in a group, this is my new Facebook. I have another one that I used to do the marketing on.
Right.
That was my main Facebook way back, and I just haven't got on there like in years, bro.
Yeah.
I'm about to see right now. I'm actually gonna go log on into it right now. See what I see.
Back in 2019, bro, I came across this dude. He was a drop shipper,
Yeah.
and he had a video. Oh, this video was so fucking cold. He said, "I'm gonna see how far I can run this money up from starting from zero." So he did it. He did like a little challenge, right?
Mm-hmm.
And then to get started, he had his homeboy sign up for Webull, and on Webull you get like $30 worth of stocks when when you sign up or whatever, and if you have a referral link, you get like $30 and whatnot. So, uh, he signs up for his homie signs up for Weibo. He gets like $30. With that $30, he gets like an Instagram shout out, and I think he was like selling like shirts or some shit. And off of that money, now he was up at like that 100, 200, whatever. Then he started like selling like women's beauty products, and then at the end he was up like 6 bands, bro, and he was like selling like vacuums at the end. It was pretty tight.
Mm. Yeah, that's crazy. Weeble? I don't think I've heard of that before.
His name is Biahesa. Um, let me.
I know be a hair, so you're the little dude on YouTube.
Yup, bro. Dude was slick with it. Dude was slick with it. This kid right here. I wonder if this is. No, this is like a little course, I think. Hmm. Man, I can't find that video where he was like running that money out, bro. It's just a good feeling. You feel me?
Order submitted. Order filled.
Hey y'all, check this out.
What's that? What up, Lou?
You know what I'm saying? Check this out. I'm showing y'all something on in my camera.
Bet. Let me. Oh, bet. I see that. I see that. I see that.
Evan, I saw something. I think you were like showing like somebody walking or something.
They're like dancing.
Oh shit.
Yeah, man, we about to go do our thing, man. Good chopping in with my brothers. Yeah, let's get it, dog.
Hey.
Oh.